The summer heat this week is exceptionally brutal. Good evening, I'm Anna Manuel.
And I'm Scott Beadle. Thanks for joining CBS 4 News tonight. We have some tips on staying safe in case you are spending time outside this week.
And someone who is spending some time outside right now, CBS 4's Alicia Tarancon, braving the heat, we'll call it. Alicia, just how hot is it right now?
That's right, Scott. And now if you walk outside, you can feel the summer heat. In fact, we did a few experiments today. We put this thermometer right on the ground, and if I lift it up right now, you can see that it's at 120 degrees. Now, we also talked to a local summer camp today that says they know how to stay cool in this brutal summer heat.
Students at the Gainesville Tennis Academy are taught that when it's hot outside, you need to stay hydrated.
Usually you should drink a couple sips of water after 2 matches a game.
Throughout the day, the kids are told to drink lots of water.
Have water break every 10 to 15 minutes based on the drills. And each drill, they need to come in and through the misting fan, they wet themselves down and drink a cold water right out from the big Gatorade jug.
And the tennis instructors introduce fun games to help make sure the kids are learning and staying cool.
We toss water balloon high. It is filled with the fresh cold water, and then we serve high, and his friends and their friends in front of them, they serve toward them. They really help the focus on the serve. Also, it really gives a nice splash.
And during the hottest part of the day, the kids get to cool off and go to the pool.
For the little ones, we have splash pad, and they are having fun for 2 hours. And after that, we have a break, and we start tennis again.
The Alachua County Health Department says to watch out for the following heat-related signs.
Feeling dizzy, or if you start getting a headache, or if you start feeling short of breath in a different way than you normally do when you're being active, or nauseous. Any of these things can be early signs of heat exhaustion or even heat stroke.
If you start to feel any of these signs, they recommend taking a break from any activity. And if anyone passes out from the heat, they need medical attention immediately, as it could be a sign of heat stroke. And to protect yourself, drink lots of water, stay away from sugary drinks, and wear lightweight clothing.
Now, the health department also wants to remind residents, do not leave kids and pets in the car. Even for just a few minutes, those can be very crucial. A few minutes can be deadly. We even put the thermometer in the car today, and the heat index turned out to be about 180. Again, that's a warning. Do not leave pets and children in the car. Reporting in Gainesville, Alicia Tarancon, CBS 4 News.
Wow. Yeah, just a few minutes, and that can really be catastrophic for somebody that's left inside.
On average, 38 children die every year in hot cars.
Awful. And you often will see pets, too, if you're at the store or something. Someone thinks they're running in for just a minute, and then they're in there much longer, and that can end very badly as well.
And it's just a heartbreaking situation, either of those.
It's really awful. All right, well, let us find out now if we're going to get any relief from this heat.